Hi everybody, welcome to Katya Beauty Style channel and hello spring. Yes, hello spring. I create a perfect spring look for you, and today we're gonna use the newest eyeshadow palette from Chanel. It's number 88, Coral Treasure. We have here peach, we have a pink, we have matte, we have iridescent, but most important, I'm not gonna talk too much about this eyeshadow palette because it's already hundreds, I think, and hundreds videos. I want to show you step by step how to use this eyeshadow palette, how to look beautiful and young after 45. And I think this is so beautiful look, will make you look young, fresh, sexy and happy. And if you like this look, please give me a like, subscribe, comments below. We are starting. Love you more than ice cream. Let's go. Wow, spring is here and new Chanel collection, spring collection, it's here. Yes, look at this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I like pink. I hope you like pink too. Let's create some like a natural but little bit maybe smoky eye look with Chanel eyeshadow. What do you think? I will show you step by step how to use this palette. Again, it's 88 Coral Treasure limited edition. We have here pink, we have orange, we have a shimmer here. I will swatch for you. Okay, let me show you swatch very quick. $68 this palette, and I do have two colors. I have this one, again it's a treasure, Coral Treasure, and I have another eyeshadow. I already create video for you too. To this eyeshadow palette, again limited edition, $68. This collection have a blush, lipstick, but I want to concentrate on eyeshadow because they are beautiful. When I swatch this palette, number 88 Coral Treasure, it looks this eyeshadow have a good pigment, but never trust, believe me, like sometimes like you like, oh my god, this is so pretty, will be a lot of pigment, but when you swatch it is, and when you apply it on the eyes, it's not. Let's see, I'm not sure how good pigmented this eyeshadow palette, because if you're new to Chanel, if you not yet know about anything Chanel, some eyeshadow palette have good pigment, some it's not. I want my eyeshadow look vibrant, sexy, and I want eyeshadow stay all day long. And I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from MAC, and this is eyeshadow and eyeshadow primer together have a very neutral color. You see it go really creamy, remove all darkness on my eyelid, and now I knew my eyeshadow gonna stay all day long, not run, not crease. This is beautiful eyeshadow, but I need light color, matte color to set my primer, and I don't want a shimmer, I want a matte. I have right here eyeshadow from Trish McAvoy color shelf, and it's a matte color, it's a really light color, and I'm gonna apply this color close to my brows. And if you can see, I don't have much color here, it just setting my eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use a big blending eyeshadow brush from Chanel. I remove an extra eyeshadow, and will be my middle color. My middle color, this is my circle area. I apply above with building color, just very softly. We can reapply few more times because I can see this is eyeshadow, don't have much pigment. We're just building and building color. It is very pretty, and this is eyeshadow actually lift my eye. Look at one my eye and another. Can you see how just this softer, brighter orange color lift my eye? First colors, it's done. You can see again, very soft, natural, give me nice pop. Now we always use this bright pink color and a little bit darker like brick orange color, and of course this is gorgeous shimmer. Ha ha ha, what should I use, what should I use? You know what, let's go with this brick color. I'm gonna apply this darker color right here on a crease. I try to build color with blending brush, but I don't have enough density. Now I have a flat brush. I'm gonna use same orange color, this brick orange color, and now I'm gonna apply right here in the corner. Oh yeah, and now color go way more intensive, and this is what I'm looking. I want a little bit more darker, little bit maybe deeper color, just right here in the corner we're applying. Now I need little bit pop and extra lift. I have a blending brush and we're gonna use this beautiful bright pink. This color I am applying right here. Again, it's little bit brighter color. It's gonna lift this area, and I pushing this brighter pink color up. Very vibrant, very spring look. I have a big blending brush. I'm just gonna little bit blend all this eyeshadow, pushing slightly little bit up. Woohoo, we're almost done. Can I believe it? I think you like this look, and if you like, please give me like, subscribe, comments below. Love you more than ice cream, but I do like how pop this color my eyes. Now I have a brush 200 and it's Chanel. It's a double-ended brush. It's one of my favorite Chanel brush, and I'm gonna use this small flat brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful iridescent pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna apply right here, and you wanna use flat eyeshadow brush, because if you will go with blending brush like this, will not gonna give you much color. Color will go way more softer. Color is very pretty. It is again very soft iridescent pink, but I think I want a little bit more. If you want a little bit more like me, you need NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna apply on my little finger, very little, and I'm gonna apply right here. I am coming back to this beautiful pink eyeshadow and I apply on top. Color, it's definitely vibrant, and it's like pinky, even like lavender color. And if you want even more, you can use your finger and add more. Wow, I love how my eyes look, and if you look, I don't have any falling down eyeshadows. But you know what? I have another extra steps we need to do. And first step, you know what? I'm gonna use setting mist from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a very, very final mist. I want my eye makeup, whole my entire will say, face set. And now one more time I'm gonna use my finger and I'm gonna apply this beautiful, beautiful iridescent pinky eyeshadow. And you know what? I feel I can use this eyeshadow palette not just for my eyes. I will put this on my face too. It's a blush. Let's experience. I always curl my lashes first, and I'm using Laura Mercier lash curler. And then I'm gonna use liquid eyeliner, then I'm gonna use primer and mascara. Time to use liquid eyeliner. I'm using Tom Ford, and all I do just press, 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 press. I'm pressing this little brush close to my lash line. Let's add little bit more in the corner. I have a concealer brush and I'm gonna little bit clean here. I love my eyes today. And now it's time for primer and mascara. Chanel mascara Le Volume and Chanel primer. By primer, I want my eyelashes to look big and huge. And I don't need to apply false lashes because primer will give me this extra volume. Oh my god, look at my eyes. I really like them. Now I do need another mascara, and this is from MAC. I will list it below, all products, and if you buy any products from my link, I get a little bit credit to grow my YouTube channel or support another people. I like you supporting me, I like to support other people, or sometimes I have a little giveaway for you. Okay, why do I like this mascara? Because it's small tiny brush, and this mascara is perfect for my low bottom lashes. My brows little bit looks light. I have a small blending brush from NARS and powder and pomade from Chanel. It's number 02 medium. I'm just gonna use powder, very little, and I'm just gonna apply very softly on my brows. And you can see it's a huge difference. My brows look so soft, they're not heavy, right? We are done with eyes. I really like how I look, young, fresh. I look like I'm 30 years old, not 46. Okay, you know what? I decide I'm gonna try this eyeshadow is my blush. We have again beautiful orange here. We have little bit pinky, this light color. It's have a little bit glow. I have a Chanel brush. All I'm gonna do just mixes these colors together, and I feel like I need add color. I kind of little bit ruin step in here, but it's okay. Now, oh, right here, yeah, nice, beautiful color. Oh, it's so pretty. It is $68, but it's worth every single penny because we use for the eyes and we use this is my blush. And believe me not, this color you can even put a little bit right here. Oh, it's a nice highlighter. And let's add a little bit this glowing shimmer pink eyeshadow is my highlighter. I hope you can see this highlighter right here because it is pretty. And look at my eyes, look so pretty and like a bright blue. I love it. I look so young. No one woman not pretty. We all beautiful and gorgeous. You just need to watch, subscribe my YouTube channel to learn how to look fabulous and young. Love you more than ice cream. If you're new to my channel, please support me. Love you more than ice cream. time for lips. I have a little samples from Giorgio Armani, and it's a beautiful color. It's like a nude pinky peachy color, 104. It's a long wearing lipstick, hydrating lipstick, and I'm gonna use also lip liner from Chanel, and it's a base natural 156. My lips looks like a pale peachy pink color, and let's add lip gloss. This is 02 from Shiseido. Wow, very nice. Again, it's a perfect look for spring. It's giving a nice beautiful pop, but it's keep me young and fresh. Love this look.